Hi, in this tutorial we are going to see basic workflow of generating mesh. So here first we will see starting Ansys meshing, generating a mesh, examining mesh, and checking mesh quality, then improving mesh quality, then saving the project. Okay, let's start. So for mesh, either we can create like first we can import geometry, then we can add like geometry to this geometry we can share, and then we can generate mesh here, or alone we can take this one. So if we want to share this geometry with others, so we can do like that one also. Like if you want to do, so here if we are changing mesh quality, in this model we are taking something, and in this the mesh is, some mesh setting is different, so we can use like this one. So okay, here we are importing geometry here. Now we are editing, we will see the geometry in space claim. So this is the geometry. Edit mesh. So now this geometry has been imported, and this is the mesh, and here we can change units also. Already this is in matrix. Here this is the general settings. So what we have to see first, mechanical, then here error limits we have to put standard mechanical, and this use adaptive sizing, yes. We are going to generate mesh. So this is fully tetrahedron mesh. When we are generating automatically, it will be tetrahedron mesh. So here if you want to see the mesh, then we are going to create a section plane. So we can see the mesh. Here if you want to see whole element, then we can create. So this is kind of rough mesh. So during generating mesh, so first what we have to do, we have to go in a space claim, and we have to fill all the holes and everything, so that we can create a good mesh. So in this case we are not going to repair geometry, anything. So we are just seeing the basic mesh. So if you want to create new section plane, so we can see mesh like this. So again we are in details. What we have to do here. We have to go in quality and so we have to go in quality and click here and click on element quality. So in element quality you can see these are all tetrahedron mesh. So if you see here, so minimum it is showing 1.594 into 10 ki power minus 3. So here if you see the mesh matrix, so element quality this one, so for this minimum should not be less than 0.2. So it means the quality of this mesh is not up to the marks. So we have to improve the quality of this mesh. Okay, then what we are going to do, we will improve this mesh quality. So here what we will do, we will go to put this no capture curvature, yes. Capture proximity, yes. Okay, then generate mesh. So here you can see quality of the meshing has been improved from earlier, but it is still less than 0.2. So in the next tutorial we will start improving this quality by improving the element size, and also if it is not then improved, then we will start repairing this geometry. Okay.